Hi guys, Rebecca here with Usborne Books again. I'm here to share our chapter books, all the way from a child's first chapter book up through the books that we have for junior high and young adults. This series here is Hey Jack, and this is a beginning chapter book. As you can see, the words are a little bit bigger. There's still some just simple illustrations in them, and a sentence does not carry over onto the next page. Our Billy B. Brown are set up just the same exact way. These books are short, but they do have chapters, so kids just feel so proud of themselves and so accomplished when they finish these books, or even just to finish a chapter because they feel like they're making progress in a book. Something just a little bit more advanced, a step up from those ones, are our Jack Russell Dog Detectives. Still some simple illustrations, but as you can see, the wording is just a little bit smaller. The book is a little bit longer, but we're still getting just some simple pictures in them as well. Here is Anna Hibiscus, and this is part of a series, and she lives with her whole family in a wonderful house. There's always something to laugh or play with. She loves to splash in the sea with her cousins and have parties for her aunties, but more than anything else in the world, Anna Hibiscus would love to see snow. So that's our Anna Hibiscus series. Here's The Impossible Quest, just a little bit more advanced, more like the chapter book you would think whenever you think chapter books. Quinn, Sebastian, Eleanor, and Tom have found a dragon and conquered the dreaded beast of Blackmore Bog. Only one item remains on their impossible quest, the scale of a sea serpent. So that's just, this book has, I believe it's 5 in there. Then Star of Deltora. This is a brand new series that came out with our new titles in July. Britta has always wanted to be a trader like her father, sailing the 9 seas and bringing precious cargo home to Del Harbor. Her dream seemed safe until her father's quest to find the fabled Staff of Tyr ended in blood and horror. Now his shamed family is in hiding, and his ship, the Star of Deltora, belongs to the powerful Roslyn fleet. But Britta's ambition burns as fiercely as ever. When she suddenly gets the chance to win back her future, she knows she has to take it, whatever the cost. The last 13, there's 13 books in this series, and they actually start at number 13 and end at 1. I click my fingers and everybody dies. As it says here, the catch: 13 books, 13 nightmares, 1 destiny. Sam wakes from his nightmare to discover the terrifying reality. It will come true. Kidnapped from school and finding out his parents aren't who they think they are, Sam is suddenly running from danger at every turn. Nothing will ever be the same again. We have Conspiracy 365, and this has 12 books in the series. It starts in January and goes to December. This is February because I don't have January on hand, but Cal's old life ended as soon as the deadly 365-day countdown began. So far, he's been attacked by sharks, blamed for a vicious assault on his family, kidnapped by 2 criminal gangs, and left to drown in a fast-filling oil tank.